Hi! Today we're going to listen to a poem called Ations by Shel Silverstein from A Light in the Attic. If we meet and say hi, that's a salutation. If you ask me how I feel, that's consideration. If we stop and talk a while, that's a conversation. If we understand each other, that's communication. If we argue, scream, and fight, that's an altercation. If later we apologize, that's reconciliation. If we help each other home, that's cooperation. And all these Ations added up make civilization. And if I say this is a wonderful poem, is that exaggeration? Bye. See you later.